Hello, my Desi and Pardesi friends. Today I'm going to share a snack recipe which is very close to me. And as a young man, I used to play a lot of cricket. So I used to go out to play tournaments in different cities outside Hyderabad. So every time I go out, my mother used to pack this snack which is very, very delicious and one of my favorite snacks. And I used to enjoy this all the time, whether it is on the train or during the matches or anything. You can just enjoy with a cup of tea, and it is very easy, and everyone in my team used to like this. My mother used to pack loads of them so that we all can enjoy. So let's get going, and I want to show you my favorite recipe today. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 200 grams of potatoes, 6 bread slices, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste. Mash all the potatoes until they are soft and there are no lumps. Let's prepare the stuffing for this snack. In a kadai, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding the potatoes. Saute the potatoes for a minute, and once it is cooked for a minute, I'm adding red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt to taste. After adding all the spices, mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Now I'm cutting the edges of the bread so that it becomes even and it becomes easier to fry. Now spread the potato filling on a slice of bread, and on top of it put another slice of bread and give a slight press so that it doesn't fall apart while frying. Now cut the stuffed bread slices diagonally. Now in another bowl, I have taken 3 eggs and whisked it until it turned foamy. Let's start the process of frying. In a kadai, take oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, dip the stuffed bread in the egg mixture, coat it properly, and gently leave that in the oil for frying. Make sure it is frying well on both sides. So after a minute, turn it the other way and cook it for another minute. Friends, me being me, I was very naughty as a child, and my mother was very strict about me eating them when I was traveling. But I couldn't resist, honestly. Without her knowledge, I used to sneak a couple of them here and there and then eat while she was making. So yes, all those wonderful memories are coming back. After reliving all those memories, coming back to the present, make sure that you fry these sandwiches until they turn golden brown on all sides. Now do the same with all the remaining sandwiches. Now that the sandwiches are ready, I can't resist, I can't wait any longer. Chalo, let's have this sandwich with a cup of mazedar chai.
All these years, I've been only hearing about this sandwich, but now I've finally gotten to eat it. And friends, it's so delicious that it's now become my favorite snack. Do try out this recipe at home, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, have a lovely week ahead.